Class 3rd Social Studies. Today's topic is the Sun and its Family. Lesson 1. In this lesson, we will learn about the Sun, the solar system, the planets and its features, stars, satellites, key terms and facts. Children, let us learn about solar system. Our universe has many planets. A galaxy is a collection of stars and planets. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Our solar system is a small part of this galaxy. It consists of the Sun and the 8 planets. The Sun lies at the center of the solar system. It is a huge ball of hot gases. It is the only body in the solar system with its own heat and light. The 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune. Children, did you know Mercury is the smallest and Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system? Mercury is closest to the Sun, whereas Neptune is the farthest from the Sun. Now let us learn about stars. A star is a ball of hot burning gases with heat and light of its own. The Sun is also a star. We notice groups of stars in different patterns. These clusters of stars are called constellations. The largest constellation is Hydra, the water snake. Some other constellations are Ursa Major, Ursa Minor and Orion. You can just see in the picture how the Orion look like and how the constellation Ursa Major looks like. Let us learn about the planets now. Now you already know there are 8 planets. So what do we have in planets? Just find out. All the planets move around the Sun in a fixed path called orbit. The planets have no light of their own. They get heat and light from the Sun. Children, did you know the Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system? Yes, it is the only planet which supports life. Now let us learn about the features of the planets. Planet closest to the Sun. So which planet is close to the Sun? Mercury. Yes. Next is planet farthest from the Sun. Which planet is far from the Sun? Neptune. And which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Venus. Which is the coldest planet in the solar system? Neptune. Now let us find and learn about the satellites. Just as planets revolve around the Sun, a satellite revolves around a planet. The moon is the natural satellite of Earth. They don't have their own light, so they reflect the light of the sun. Scientists have created and many artificial satellites into space to study and gather information about the universe. Today, we know a lot about the universe, but there is still a lot more to be discovered. Children, did you know the largest planet, Jupiter, has 79 known moons revolving around it? Yes, this planet is very large planet and it has at least 79 moons of its own. But on Earth we have only one moon. Okay? Now let us find out some key terms we have here. What is orbit? Orbit is a path along which the planets revolve around the sun. I have already mentioned you in the chapter. What is satellite? A celestial body that revolves around a planet with no light of its own. So it is called a satellite. You can see here in the picture, this is a picture of our country satellite known as Mangalyaan. Have a look. In 2019, last year, it was gone on the survey of the Mars, and we have some picture of the Mars planet. Let us see what reflects means. Reflects means throws back heat or light. Artificial means here human made. Whatever is made by human is artificial. Let us find some facts here. Along with the 8 planets. Now children, you know there are 8 planets, and there are also 5 dwarf planets. Dwarf means tiny, very small. They are Pluto. It was the part of the solar system till the year 2006. Then Ceres, Haumea, Mechme and Eris. These are some dwarf planets. You should know about these planets also. Now some other celestial bodies are, celestial means heavenly bodies like stars, moons. Okay, you have already learned that. So there are few other celestial bodies which are asteroids, meteors, meteorites and comets. Now what is astronomy? Astronomy is the study of celestial objects such as stars, moons, planets, comets and so on. And the person who studies astronomy is called an astronomer. Now what they do? Astronomers use different types of telescope to study the celestial bodies. Their names are Hubble Space Telescope, Kepler Space Telescope, James Webb Space Telescope. So you can find in the picture how Hubble Space Telescope looks like. It's very shiny, just have a look. And the other telescope is also called a Kepler Space. Just look at the picture. Yeah, so these are some handmade telescopes made by the astronomers. Now let us summarize the lesson. A galaxy is a collection of stars and planets. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way or Akash Ganga. The solar system consists of the Sun and the 8 planets. A star is a ball of hot burning gases with heat and light of its own. A cluster of stars is known as constellation, for example, Orion. The planets have no light of their own. The moon is the satellite of the earth. Now children, let us do some exercises. You have to do in your notebook. Write down in a clean and good handwriting. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is sun? The answer is, sun is a huge ball of hot gases. It is the only body in the solar system with its own heat and light. Question number 2. Name the planets in the solar system. Answer is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Question number 3. Define constellation. Give an example. The answer is, a cluster of stars is known as constellation. Examples are Ursa Major, Ursa Minor and Orion. Question number 4. How does the moon get its light? The answer is, the moon gets its light from the sun. Question number 5. What is an orbit? The answer is, a fixed path along which the planets revolve around the sun is called an orbit. Children, I hope you understand the lesson. You will read it and do the question answers in your notebook. Thank you.